Alright guys, so I'm really excited about my new phone. So this is 9 a.m. now and we just got our phone from the Apple Center and the box looks really beautiful. So as you can see that the boxing, especially the iPhone logo, it's all in gold color and also the Apple logo is in gold color. So the boxing looks really good. It's just like last year but still, as you can see, I am really excited. Okay guys, so let's begin. Okay, so wow, it feels so good to open this phone. And now, ready, 1, 2, 3. And as usual, the regular Apple booklets. And now this gorgeous phone. As you can see, it's so beautiful. Wow, guys, watch this. This is like I know like iPhone 10 was also the same, but this gold color, it's so much beautiful. And this is the XS version, so it's the 5.8-inch one, and this is just so much compact and it feels so good. Like if you don't have a big hand, this phone is the perfect phone for you. Especially if you are a girl, I think you should go with the 5.8-inch one, because the 6.5-inch one is actually pretty big. You can put it in your pocket without any problem, for sure. Okay, so now the fun part. Yeah, it just says how to say Face ID and how you can open the home screen and whatnot. And then, oh, I don't know. Okay, so that was in French and this is in English. So two booklet in different languages because we're in Canada, so it's like two official language. Then you have the SIM ejector and some other warranty thing, and finally the Apple stickers. As usual, no improvement here. And now in the box we have this wall plug. Then we have the earphones. I think these are the same earphones that we have seen for the last 3 to 4 years, or maybe even before that. And then finally the USB cable. So that's about it. Okay, now the most fun part that I love about unboxing phones is that taking out this plastic. It feels so good. Can you hear the sound, guys? Oh my god. Oh, it's so beautiful. The color, it's so beautiful. I know I have said it a dozen of times, but this is really beautiful. And oh my god. Oh, guys, can you see? It's so beautiful. Especially, like, I know the back is gorgeous, but the side, if you can see, the side is more beautiful than the back actually. It's a gold color stainless steel and it just looks so sleek, and I don't know, it feels like real gold. Also, if you look here in the back side, previously there used to be 6 dots for the speaker in each side, but now it's 6 on one side and 3 on the other side. And I think that's because of the antenna. So there is one antenna here, as you can see, this plastic strip, and another one just near the camera over here. Okay, so now I think it's time we start the phone. Hello, hola. So now we're going to connect to the Wi-Fi. ভিডিও করতেছো তো? So data and privacy, continue, and now it's time to set up the Face ID. Okay, let's set up the Face ID. I will be back after I set up the ID. Okay, so apps and data. So I'm going to set this phone as a new one, and now it's asking me for an Apple ID. I think I'm just going to create one for this. Apple Pay, we'll set it up later. iCloud Kitchen, don't use. Siri, set up later. Screen time, continue. Analytics, don't share. And True Tone display. So I'm going to turn on the True Tone display. And finally, I think it's all done. Okay. So welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. See, it's all ready. This phone is just beautiful, especially this bubble. It's really beautiful. And I think it's already running on iOS 12. Let's just check. Yeah, my software is already up to date. It's iOS 12. And let's also check the battery, because iPhone has this feature. Why not check it? The battery health, see, maximum capacity 100%. So that means the battery is all good. Did I miss anything? I think I have covered most of the things, but if you still think that I didn't cover anything, please give us a comment, and I'll try to cover that in the next video. And also I'll make another video on how to put a screen protector on the iPhone 10 or 10s version, so stay tuned for that one as well. And that's about it. Thank you for watching.